Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to be showing you how to get your API key from Deepl. Now, if you don't have an account yet, if you go to deepl.com, you're going to be redirected to this page, which is deepl.com/translator. And so what you want to do is click here and go to sign up. To get your API key, you're going to need to go to developers. And there's a free version here. If you sign up, though, even with the free version, please know that you will still need to enter your credit card details. This is Deepl's way to make sure that their AI is not used for anything nefarious. So if you do something bad with Deepl, they can shut down your account and probably, track you via your credit card details. Anywho, so once you've signed up, it's going to start looking like this. Go to my account. It's going to start looking like this. And if you go to your account and scroll down here real quick, you will find your API key here. So you can plug that into your integration or do whatever you want with it. But that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple. Pretty easy to find. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.